Hey everyone, welcome back to Forge Aesthetics. Today we're going to cover 10 common mistakes that beginners make in the gym and how to avoid them. These tips will help you get the most out of your workouts and stay injury-free. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1 is not setting clear goals. Going to the gym without specific goals can lead to aimless workouts and lack of motivation. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or improving endurance, and create a plan to reach those goals. Write them down and track your progress regularly. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and measure your progress. For example, if your goal is to increase your bench press, set a target weight and a timeline for achieving it. Break it down into smaller milestones to keep yourself motivated. Remember, goals should be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, ignoring proper form. Bad form can lead to injuries and poor results. Focus on technique before adding weight. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance or watch instructional videos. Proper form ensures you're targeting the right muscles and prevents strain on your joints. For instance, when performing a squat, make sure your knees don't go past your toes and keep your back straight. Engage your core and lower yourself slowly. If you're unsure about your form, ask a trainer for a form check. Mistake 3 is lifting too heavy too soon. Start with manageable weights and gradually increase as you build strength. This helps prevent injuries and ensures steady progress. Starting too heavy can lead to poor form and injuries like muscle strains or joint damage. Instead, focus on mastering lighter weights with perfect form. As you get stronger, progressively increase the weight. Track your lifts in a journal or an app to monitor your progress and adjust your. Mistake 4 is not tracking your workouts. Without tracking, it's hard to measure progress or apply the principle of progressive overload. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts to continually challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. Tracking your workouts helps you see what's working and where you need to improve. Use a notepad, app, or spreadsheet to record your exercises, sets, reps, and weights. Review your progress regularly and aim to increase the weight, reps, or sets over time. This systematic approach ensures you're consistently making progress and helps prevent plateaus. Mistake 5 is overtraining. Your muscles need time to recover. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Ensure you're giving your body enough rest between workouts. Listen to your body and recognize the signs of overtraining, such as persistent muscle soreness, fatigue, and decreased performance. Include rest days in your weekly schedule and consider incorporating active recovery like light yoga or walking to keep your body moving without overloading it. Neglecting nutrition is a huge mistake. Your body needs the right fuel to perform and recover. Focus on a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Ensure you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Incorporate lean meats, eggs, dairy, legumes, and protein supplements if necessary. Carbohydrates provide the energy you need for intense workouts, so include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables in your meals. Healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, support overall health and hormone. Mistake 7 is not staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated and support your body's functions. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and decreased performance. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water daily, more if you're sweating heavily during your workouts. Carry a water bottle with you and take regular sips to stay hydrated throughout. Focusing too much on isolation movements over compound exercises is a common mistake. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses work multiple muscle groups at once, helping you build overall strength and muscle mass more efficiently. Incorporate these into your routine for better results. Isolation exercises like bicep curls or tricep extensions target specific muscles but don't provide the same overall benefits as compound movements. Start your workouts with compound exercises to build a strong foundation, then use isolation exercises to fine-tune and target specific. Mistake 9 is comparing yourself to others. Everyone is at a different stage in their fitness journey. Focus on your progress and celebrate your achievements. Comparison can be discouraging and demotivating. Instead, set personal goals and track your own progress. Celebrate small victories like lifting a heavier weight or running a longer distance. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your fitness. The final mistake is a lack of consistency. Progress takes time and dedication. Stick to your routine, be patient, and stay consistent. Consistency is the most important factor in achieving long-term results. Create a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. If you miss a workout, don't get discouraged. Just get back on track the next day. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you'll see significant improvements in your strength, endurance, and physique. There you have it. 10 beginner gym mistakes to avoid. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be on your way to a successful fitness journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Until next time, stay fit and